रङ्गेन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै पदाले कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्ते सप्तकांचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रियम् ॐ वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्तै नमो नमः। भक्ता विहीन अपराध लक्ष्य क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरंग मध्यै कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते शरणारविन्दम् भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितास्वयं वदामि राधां करुणाभराद्रा ततो ममान्नास्ते गतिर्न कापि। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my humble respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Astutra Sapasishmad Bhakti Vedanta Sravaman Goswami Maharaj एवं Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Astutra Sapasishmad Bhakti Vedanta Sravaman Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble respectful Dandavat Pranam lotus feet of Nityalila Prishtam Vishnupad Astutra Satnal Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauranga Goswami Maharaj Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vedanta Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Goswami Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So tomorrow will be the appearance day of Bhakreshwar Pandit. So I want to also glorify his life history, Bhakreshwar Pandit. Vaishnavir Gunagan Korile Jivir Pran. If we glorify the life history of Vaishnav, then we protected by Maya. So for this regard, our scriptures explain always glorify to Vaishnavas. The Bhakta Bhagavat, two Bhagavat. One is called Grantha Bhagavat, another is called Bhakta Bhagavat. Then Bhakta Bhagavat is higher than Grantha Bhagavat. Because Bhakta Bhagavat, they can give mercy to us. That means Vaishnavas. Bhakta Bhagavat, Grantha Bhagavat, that is called Swayam Bhagavan, Bhagmay Murti, Lord manifested in front of his, in form of his Bhagmay Murti, the word. manifested in Srimad Bhagavatam. So Srimad Bhagavatam is called Bangmay Murti and Bhagavan. Our Bhakta Bhagavat, who is very nearest and dearest of Lord, and Bhakta Bhagavat. And we can understand the Grantha Bhagavat and under guidance, reading the under guidance of Bhakta. And so for this regard, we are very lucky. Every 1-2 days, and some devotees appearance and disappearance they are coming. So we also discuss their life history and their contribution. In this context, we also discuss today, that is called Bakrishwar Pandit. Bakrishwar Pandit, he was very near and dear to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gaurangir Sangi Gane Nitya Siddha Porimane Tar Hoy Brajabhume Bas. One who realized the associate of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they are the eternal associate of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And he is qualified to stay in Braj. So saying Gaurangir Sangi Gane Nitya Siddha Porimane Tar Hoy Brajabhume Bas. So Bakrishwar Pandit, he was Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Nitya Parikar, eternal associate. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he took birth in Navadvip Dham. But all his devotees, they also born in different places of India and also Mahaprabhu's Vilasthali. Okay. For this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sometimes used to go their house. For this regard, that house is called Tirtha, pilgrimage place. So, Bakrishwar Pandit, he was born in Triveni and Guptapada, but sometimes he also used to come in Navadvip Dham, Guptapada station. If you go Howrah to Navadvip, then you can see one railway station that is called Guptipada station near Triveni. So Mahaprabhu's Nitya Parikar Bakrishwar Pandit, and he is attached with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu proceeded to Jagannath Puri to Vrindavan, and when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in Ramkeli Gaon, where Rup and Sanatan, they used to stay there. They lived in that place. And that time Bakrishwar Pandit, he also then came with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That means Bakrishwar Pandit, he traveled with Lord Chaitanya Prabhu. And he was very expert dancing, Nartan. Mahaprabhu's Lila in three things very important. That is called Tarjik. Tarjik means those who are very expert dancing, singing, and playing the different types of instruments. That is Tarjik. Tarjik. The Sanskrit word. So Tarjik, they are very expert to dancing, singing and playing the instruments and mridanga, kartal, this thing. So Bhakreshwar Pandit, he was very expert to dancing. And in Chaitanya Charitamritam also explained, sometimes he danced about 72 hours continue. Yeah? Without eating, without sleeping, continue. Yeah? He danced 72 hours. Yeah? That Sanskrit word is 24 prahar. 24 means 24. Prahar. One prahar means 3 hours. 24 prahar means 72 hours. Yeah? Sukdev Goswami Pad, he told Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Maharaj 7 days and 7 nights. And Parikshit Maharaj, he listened day and night. 7 days and 7 nights. Our Bhakreshwar Pandit, he danced continue as well. 72 hours. So hard work. Maybe you listen to 1 hour, a few hours sitting. This is possible. But dance, this is very hard. Again. So further Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told, Kirtaniyar Parishram Jane Gora Rai. That means Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he knows those who are dancing and singing, how it is very, what is called, austerities. Not so easy to dance many hours. Sometimes you compare with Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. During the Rath Yatra festival in European country or Western country, America, and he took the gong and who danced and as like 16 years and old brahmachari and danced up and down. Because how possible these things? He was 70 years old, but he danced as like a 16th years young brahmachari. So this is the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Gurudev, sometimes in his lecture, he explained, Sai Maharaj is called the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Sankirtan Abesh Avatar. What did he say? Sankirtan Abesh Avatar. So in the same way, Bhakreshwar Pandit, he danced in this way. Because without this mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who can dance, continue without eating, sleeping, 70 hours, 72 hours. And he also helped to Devananda Pandit, who committed offense, lotus feet of Srivas Thakur. So Bhakreshwar Pandit, he helped to Devananda Pandit and how to receive the mercy from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Srivas Thakur. This is very nice, beautiful also pastime. And if you committed offense lotus feet of Vaishnava, then you have to take lotus feet of another Vaishnava, then another Vaishnava will help to you how will you free from all kinds of offenses. So in this way we say Devananda Pandit, he committed offenses, lotus feet of Devananda Pandit, Srivas Thakur. Just a little bit to speak about this story. In Navadvip Dham, Devananda Pandit, he was very great scholar person, and he spoke Srimad Bhagavad Kathamritam, Bhagavad Pathak, big speaker on Srimad Bhagavatam. In India nowadays, many also big Bhagavad Pathak. They speak very nice, beautiful, sweet words, eloquent words, dancing, singing, and playing different of their instruments. In this way, they attract the people in their Srimad Bhagavad Kathamritam. Thousand people, they also used to come in their Bhagavad Katha. So in the same way, Devananda Pandit, once he spoke Bhagavad Katha, and many people also attained in his Harikatha, Bhagavad Katha. And that day also, Srivas Thakur, he came. And Srivas Thakur was sitting among of the people, those who are listening Harikatha, Bhagavad Katha. And that day, Devananda Pandit, he was giving Harikatha, Bhagavad Kathamritam about Gopi Gita. And very pathetic, how Krishna disappeared from the Gopis. And Gopis, they felt sense of separation from Krishna. And Devananda Pandit, he sang also Gopi Gita very nicely. That is called Kanak Manjari Chanda. Gopi Gita, you can sing one kind of rhythm tune. That is called Kanak Manjari Chanda. Kanak Manjari means one kind of poetical lyric tune. Then everybody completely intoxicated. So for this regard, this Chanda lyric tune name is called Kanak Manjari Chanda. There are two meanings of Kanak Manjari. Kanak means gold. Or Kanak means also called the one kind of intoxicated herbs, dhatura. If you eat or chewing the leaves of very soft leaves of dhatura, then so much intoxication will come. You completely intoxicate, your head start to spinning. You will become completely what? Mad. Completely become mad. So for this regard, this chandas, metric tune is called Kanak Manjari Chanda. Those who are expert in Sanskrit grammar and chanda and Mahakabba, they can sing this tune. That is called Kanak Manjari Chanda. So Devananda Pandit, he was singing Gopi Gita. Very nice, beautiful tune. All the audience also completely intoxicated with his tune. They may understand or not, but audience completely intoxicated. Or in that the assembly house, Srivas Thakur came. Srivas Thakur Uttam Mahabhagavat. Srivas Thakur. And Srivas Thakur cried loudly. Especially Devananda Pandit, when he sang Gopi Gita with the instruments, harmonium and different instruments, and very nice, beautiful, pathetic tune. Then Srivas Thakur Uttam Mahabhagavat, he absorbed in the mood of Gopis. Kavi Bhava. And he also cried. Jayati te odhikam janmana braja srayata indira sas atrahi daita dikchatam dikchutavaka ridhitavasavo tvang vichinnate Sadadu dasai sadhu jata sit sarajasi yudare simushadrisa surathana tate sulkadasika varadhani gnatho neha kimbadha tava kathamritam tapta jivanam कभी विरेडितं कल्मषापहं श्रवणमङ्गलं श्रीमदाततं भुवि गृह्णन्ति ते भूरिदा जनाः. So Srivas Thakur, he was crying loudly, in the separation mode of the gopis. But around his some audience, they thought is Srivas Thakur is newcomer, yes, and also disturb their listen Harikatha. They also use harsh words to Srivas Thakur, and finally they kicked out Srivas Thakur from the place. But Devananda Pandit, he did not say anything. Devananda Pandit just he noticed. Then in this way, Devananda Pandit, he committed offensive lotus feet of Srivas Thakur. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard this, then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself came in the assembly house, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became very angry. Because that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called Nimai Pandit, a very learned scholar person. Even all Panditas also afraid from him. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu direct state, he came to Devananda Pandit and took his Bhagavad and torn off. Bhagavad ko pad diya. And Mahaprabhu told, you are not qualified to read Srimad Bhagavatam. And heavy chastisement to him. Mahaprabhu told, one is called Grantha Bhagavat and is called Bhakta Bhagavat. You don't know, Srivas Thakur is high class, exalted, Uttam Mahabhagavat. But you did not give proper respect to Srivas Thakur. You are reading Srimad Bhagavatam. So you cannot receive the Krishna Prem. These are things. Look these things. Devananda Pandit, he was very learned scholar. He prayed to lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and asked forgiveness. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, no, I will not give mercy to you. Then when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas, again he came in Navadvip Dham. That time Devananda Pandit, He's thinking, how I will reform offenses from Mahabhagavat, Lotus feet of Mahabhagavat, Srivas Thakur. Srivas Thakur, he has so much love and affection with Bakrishwar Pandit. So Devananda Pandit, he took shelter Lotus feet of Bakrishwar Pandit. And Bakrishwar Pandit told him, okay, I will help you. Then Bakrishwar Pandit, he brought to Devananda Pandit in the lotus feet of Srivas Thakur. And Bakrishwar, then Devananda Pandit, very humble, he paid his obeisances to Srivas Thakur. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave mercy to him. As like Krishna, it is called Indra, he committed lotus feet of Brajavasi and Brajavasi. Then Indra, he took shelter lotus feet of Surabhi cows, Gomata. Then he came with Surabhi Mata into Krishna and do stop stuti. In the same way, Devananda Pandit, he took shelter lotus feet of Bakrishwar Pandit. And Bakrishwar Pandit also brought him lotus feet of Srivas Thakur. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave mercy. Because once Bakrishwar Pandit, he was dancing and singing. Then Bakrishwar Pandit completely fainted. And that time Devananda Pandit, he also protect to Bakrishwar Pandit. Here Chaitanya Bhagavad also explained. प्रभु बोले तुम्हें जे सेविला बक्रेश्वर अतएव हईला तुम्हें तमा हमारो गोचर बक्रेश्वर पंडित प्रभुर पूर्ण शक्ति हे कृष्ण पाए जे तार करे भक्ति बक्रेश्वरे हृदय कृष्ण निज घर कृष्ण नित्य करे नाचिते बक्रेश्वर जे स्थाने यदि बक्रेश्वर संगे हय সেই স্থান सर्वतीर्थ वैकुंठमय चैतन्य भागवत अंतलीला तृतीय परिच्छेद बिफोर सन्यास understand before sannyas but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave mercy when he took sannyas return there because here he is saying the one who takes shelter lotus feet of Bhakteshwar Pandit, then Mahaprabhu will give mercy. Because Bhakteshwar Pandit, then he is very nearest dear to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Devananda Pandit, he took shelter lotus feet of Bhakteshwar Pandit. And Bhakteshwar Pandit, also, he always staying with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And especially when Lord Chaitanya took sannyas, then Bhakteshwar Pandit, he also proceeded to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to Jagannath Puri. And Bhakteshwar Pandit, he was staying in Jagannath Puri. If you go Jagannath Puri and you see the three deities in there, that you heard that temple you call Radha, what is his name? When you are going Gambhira, that temple is in the backside, this side also. First enter in the temple, Radha, Just take a look. Eh? Kasimishra house, Radhakanta temple. Radhakanta temple is there. You can see. And there is the three deities in there. And one is Gopal Guru Bakreshwar Pandit, and also Gopal Guru Goswami and Dhanchandra Goswami. Because Bakreshwar Pandit's disciple Gopal Guru, or Gopal Guru's disciple Dhanchandra Goswami, and Guru Parampara Vidya. And he has also explained Paramananda Puriyar Sarup Damodar Gadadhar Jagadananda Sankar Bakreshwar Damodar Pandit Thakur Haridas Raghunath Vaidya or Raghunath Das इत्यादि का प्रभुर संगी बड़ भक्तगण नीला चले रही प्रभु करे न सेवन चैतन्य चैतामृतम आदिला 10th chapter also discussed this thing. How Bakreshwar Pandit, he was staying with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Athari Krishna Panchami Tithi, Bakreshwar Pandit, he was appeared and he also disappeared in Ashar Sukla Sashti. This thing in this festival 6 days from new moon day. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he also manifested one Grantha that is called Gaur Krishnodaya. That is the in Utkal Kavi Govindadev, who was in the family of Bakreshwar Pandit. For this regard, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he also manifested one Grantha, Sri Gaur Krishnodaya and Mahakabha. And Bakreshwar Pandit, he was very Landian scholar, even in Vrindavan Das Thakur, and explain one who just taking the name of Bakreshwar Pandit, he will be delivered from this material world. Jivir Bhagye Avani Aila Gaura Hari Bhuvana Mohanaru Sonaro Putali Hari Namamrita Diya Korila Chetan Kovijgi Chila Jata Jivira Achetan Nityananda Daito Acharya Gadadhar Sakala Bhakata Majhe Saje Pahubar Khol Karo Tal Mandira Ghanarul Bhaviro Avese Gora Bole Hari Bol Bhujatuli Nache Puhu Sachiranandan Ramai Sundar Nache Sri Raghu Nandan Srinivas Haridas Arbakreshwar Dija Haridas Nache Pandita Sankar Jai Jaya Dhani Jagate Prakash Anande Magana Bhilo Vrindavan Das and great poet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's time. He also glorified about Bakreshwar Pandit. And especially when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu danced in front of Lord Jagannath festival, Rath Yatra festival, and that time many groups, sampradayas, they are dancing and singing. Understand? And Lord, that time also one sampradaya, one group was Bakreshwar Pandit. He led to dancing. This is the thing, because that time is system. Some group singing, some group dancing, some groups also playing mridanga, different instruments in this way, systematically. In the same way, in the group of dance, Bakreshwar Pandit, he was the leader. He danced very nicely, he had been said. Nilachali, he had also explained. Chaitanya Chaitamritam Krishnadas Kare. Bakreshwar Pandit Prabhu Bada एक भावे 24 प्रहर जार नित्य आपने महाप्रभु गान जार नित्य काले प्रभुर चरण धरी बक्रेश्वर बोले 10 सहस्र गंधर्व मोरे देह चंद्रमुख तार गाय तुम्हें नाचो तबे मोर सो प्रभु बोले तुम्हें मोर एक शाखा आकाशे उड़ीताम यदि पाँव तार पाखा. Bakreshwar Pandit, very humble, he asked Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Ye Prabhu, you give me so much Shakti, Avish, strength in mind. Then I can dance and singing. As like 10,000 Gandharva. You know, Gandharva look, how they are very expert to dancing and singing. In the same way, Bakreshwar Pandit, he prayed to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, 10 sahasra, and 10 sahasra means 10 millions. And give me the power, the 10 millions Gandharva's power. Then I can and dance and take darshan your lotus face, dancing and singing. Then Mahaprabhu told, Mahaprabhu bole tumi mor ek sakha akase udi tam jadi pauta ar pakha. Then Mahaprabhu told, you are my own group. And Mahaprabhu praised and blessing to him. Okay, here you also explain. Yes. You are as like my one wing. So if I have another wing, so I can fly in the sky. Mahaprabhu told me. Because one wing you cannot fly. So Mahaprabhu in this way very pleased with Bakreshwar Pandit. So in this way, very short discuss about Bakreshwar Pandit. His life history is very nice also. And he's a very nearest and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Mahaprabhu gave blessing to him. So for this regard, we discuss these things. Gaurangir Sangi Gane Nitya Siddha Parimane. Sejai Brajendra Sutopas. Na kya likha? Gaurangir Sangi Gane. One who realized the eternal assured Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then he will attain to Varinandan Samsundar Krishna. So Gaur Sundar and his associate Parikar. That also explained in Brajalila and Visarat Tungavidya was very expert in Nitya and Geet, dancing and singing. And now he appears in the form of Bakreshwar Pandit. But we also heard Bakreshwar is called Prabodhananda Saraswati, Tunga Vidya. So maybe his expansion. As like Gadadhar Pandit and Gadadhar Das, two Gadadharas. Both are also incarnation of Srimati Radhika. And so in this way, everything is possible. Sometimes Gaur Ganadesh Devika explain this way also. Gaur Premanandi Hari Hari.